Assalamu alaikum, class 6. This is your science lecture. We were reading unit number 8, energy. In this lecture we will read page 96 to page 98 of unit number 8. Nuclear potential energy. When nucleus of a uranium atom is split, it releases huge amount of heat. Proton and neutron are the main source of nuclear energy. The breaking apart of uranium atom is called fission. The heat or energy released by fission can be used to produce electricity. Nuclear different reactors are used to produce electricity. In the figure there is a nuclear power plant. Mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is the energy that is possessed by an object due to its motion or due to its position. Mechanical energy can be kinetic energy or potential energy. Objects have mechanical energy if they are in motion or if they are at some position. Radiated energy. Radiated energy is the energy carried as moving waves. These waves can carry energy through space. The sun radiates light. Transmitters radiate radio waves to antenna are also called aerials. For telecommunication, light and radio wave both travel as waves which carry energy. Heat or thermal energy. The kinetic energy present in the molecule of different bodies collectively called heat energy. The sun and burning fire are natural sources of thermal energy. When the water in a pan or kettle is boiled, its lid begin to shake. If you have a whistling kettle, it begin to whistle. When the water boil, it happen because of heat of fire from the stove. हीट की वजह से जो स्टीम में हीट होती है उसकी वजह से केटल का लीड जो है वो शेक करना शुरू हो जाता है. द स्टीम इंजन वर्क on this principle. The steam produced push the lid of kettle. The steam engine working on same principle to move the train. Sound energy. Sound is a form of energy produced by vibration of air particle. When an object vibrates, it makes the air around it to also vibrate. The vibration travels through the air as sound waves. The sound wave moves sound energy from one place to another. All the moving things make sound. Jet engine produce a great deal of sound energy. Firecracker produce a lot of noise and when they explode. In environment, energy is transferred from one form to another. Plant absorb light and heat energy from sun for growing fruit and vegetable. These juices in fruit and vegetable contain stored chemical energy. Plant convert light and heat energy into chemical energy. This chemical energy convert into heat and potential energy when we eat fruit and vegetables. While doing work, the stored potential energy convert into kinetic energy. एनर्जी इन्वायरमेंट में वन फॉर्म से डिफरेंट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो रही है, ट्रांसफ़र हो रही है. एनर्जी कन्वेयन. एनर्जी कैन चेंज और कन्वर्ट वन फॉर्म टू अनदर. एनर्जी कैन चेंज इट्स फॉर्म बट इट कैन नॉट बी मेड आउट ऑफ नथिंग and neither it be destroyed. Some of way in which energy change into other forms. केमिकल एनर्जी इंटू हीट एंड लाइट एनर्जी. केमिकल एनर्जी कन्वर्ट हो जाती है हीट और लाइट में. इसकी एग्जांपल है बर्निंग ऑफ कैरोसिन, कोल एंड गैस. केमिकल एनर्जी कन्वर्ट इंटू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. केमिकल एनर्जी इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट होती है व्हेन द फ्यूल इज कन्वर्टेड इंटू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. जब फॉसिल फ्यूल को बर्न करके इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट किया जाता है. इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी इंटू हीट एंड लाइट एनर्जी. When we use electricity, it converts another form of energy such as heat, light or kinetic energy. Wind energy into mechanical energy. इसकी example है windmill, blade, sheet and sail. The movement of cloud and wind energy convert हो जाती है mechanical energy में. Mechanical energy into sound energy. When sound is produced due to vibration of any sort like drum, metal plate, doorbell, string of guitar, mechanical energy then convert into sound energy. Nuclear energy into heat and light energy. Nuclear energy heat और light में कैसे convert होती है? Explosion within sun, star, nuclear reactor and nuclear bombs convert nuclear energy into heat and light. In nuclear power plant, nuclear energy also convert into electrical energy. सोलर एनर्जी इंटू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी, सोलर एनर्जी को कैसे इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट किया जाता है? इट्स एग्जाम्पल इज सोलर सेल. सोलर सेल कन्वर्ट सोलर एनर्जी इंटू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी which is used in calculator and watches. Students, this was second lecture of unit 8. This is your home task. You have to read page number 96 to page number 98 thoroughly. Thanks.